How to make smoothie banana. Have you wondered sometimes how to make just a very simple delicious smoothie? Welcome to Almond Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious smoothie banana, and let's dive right. So how to make smoothie banana? We are going to use a very ripe banana. I always make sure my bananas are very ripe. You don't want to use this banana because this is not ripe enough, so it's not going to make your smoothie naturally sweet that you want. You don't want to add any sweetening to your smoothie because that is not healthy. So we are just going to use this very ripe banana here. I'm just going to use one. These bananas, there's nothing wrong with them. These colors all just means that well ripe and it's very sweet as well. So I'm just going to use one of these to make the smoothie, and I'm going to use this very one to see how it looks healthy. There is nothing wrong there. It's just the skin shows you that this is a ripe banana. Make sure you take all the strings of this right into the blender. So I'm using 1/4 cup of avocado like that in here. I am going to use 1 teaspoon of almond butter cream like this. You can put this on your bread, put this in anything you want. I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to put that with our banana and avocado. Just put that in there. I'm going to use Chobani Greek yogurt vanilla, 2 tablespoons of that. And then leave that, and then we just add to our blend. Our ingredients are coming along very nice. They look yummy already. I'm going to use whole milk or 1 cup here. I'm going to add this to our mixture here. Yummy already. So we're just going to blend all this together, and it's going to be very delicious and yummy. We're just going to start blending our smoothie banana. Now let's see how this looks like. Oh my, well, look at that. Just looks so delicious and yummy. And I'm just gonna put this and let's see how it comes up. Look at that, yummy, delicious. It smells good as well. Oh, this is lovely. Smoothie banana. My goodness. Look at this yummy looking smoothie banana that we just made. It smells so good, and I'm gonna give it a quick taste and give it a Oh my, well, this is amazing. The banana incorporates everything to come out nicely. It's delicious. Try this and let me know in the comment section, how did your smoothie banana came out. If you like this, just subscribe to this channel. Strawberry banana smoothie, I have a video on that as well. Watch that next. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye. You want some? Oh, sorry.